Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a quick tour through the town of Duncans. Now Duncans is in Trelawney. It's probably the second largest town in Trelawney, Falmouth being the largest town and also the capital. So we're just going to take a quick tour through Duncans. Now Duncans is more of a residential area. But it's the second largest town in Trelawney. Doesn't have a lot of infrastructure. Basically that is what you'd like banks, a tax office, those kind of things you'll find in Falmouth. What you find up here is probably like supermarkets, stores, things that will support a residential community. And we enter from the Northern Coastal Highway. That's where we turned off from to enter Duncans. And basically, it's like you can drive right through the town and go back onto the highway. Okay, on the right is pharmacy. Then up here where you see all these cars, that's basically like the transport center. There are mostly taxis waiting to pick up people. And over here on the right now is a supermarket. So you see all the taxis lined up outside. Okay, this is basically a clock. Most of the town, well, almost all the towns in Jamaica have this have the clock in the middle of the town. On the left is the Fesco gas station. Though when Jamaica was a colony of the English, that's when all these towns were formed, and it was, I guess, a symbolic gesture to put a clock in the town center of all these towns. On the right is the Duncans All Age School. Basically, it's a small town compared to Falmouth. Alright, so straight ahead now is the Northern Coastal Highway. So we're going to get back on the highway and head towards St. Anne's Bay. Right, we're going to come across Discovery Bay first, then Runaway Bay, then St. Anne's Bay. Notice all these bays. We're on the north coast of Jamaica. Alright, so this is the Northern Coastal Highway, and this road is going to be expanded into 4 lanes soon. And the good thing about this highway is it connects you from the airport in Montego Bay right through to Falmouth, Runaway Bay, Discovery Bay, St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios, Boscobel, all the way back to Portland. So, and you don't have to pay a toll on this road. So this is the major road for the north coast of Jamaica. That's why it's probably called the Northern Coastal Highway. Runs on the north coast of Jamaica. going into the Bracco area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.